General product description of the BioSignals V12-3, except for the wireless AIHRV device, which is not included. This is a wireless PPG sensor. It can be connected as an additional slave sensor to the main device. This is a very sophisticated, high-accuracy wireless unit with a large battery that provides up to 2 weeks of operation. You can connect many external and add-on sensors to the device. It includes 5 different sockets for flexible connections. Let's start with the main USB Type-C socket. It allows the device to connect to a PC or to an Android device. The right 3.5mm 4-pin socket is used for connecting additional external sensors. In our case, it is used to connect the breathing belt. And it also supports connecting a second breathing belt for dual respiration monitoring. This socket is very flexible and allows the system to expand by adding different types of physiological sensors. For example, you can connect a dry contact EEG sensor, ECG electrodes, EMG sensors, HEG sensors. The left 3.5mm stereo socket allows connection of parallel GSR electrodes and a parallel temperature sensor by using a Y cable. The Y cable separates the dual input into 2 mono inputs. The white connector is used for the temperature sensor and the red connector is used for the parallel GSR electrodes. Parallel connection means that 2 sensors are connected to the same analog circuit on the main PCB board. Now let's continue with the USB OTG extension cable, which allows the device to connect directly to Android devices. This is a stretch Velcro belt that allows the user to place the breathing belt comfortably around the abdomen. The stretch Velcro belt has loops, and the airbag breathing sensor has hooks on both sides of the airbag, allowing them to attach securely to each other. This short Velcro strip is used to attach the temperature sensor to the finger. At the tip of this cable, 3 sensors are combined together: PPG, GSR, and temperature. Velcro strip. We have also included additional GSR electrodes in 2 different types. One type uses stretch Velcro electrodes that is very easy and simple to use and attach to the fingers. And the other type uses snap button connectors that allow the user to replace the electrodes or use disposable electrodes. The disposable electrodes are very useful for connecting to different parts of the body, and the large snap button electrodes provide a much better and more stable connection to the skin. Now let's talk about the main device, how to use it and how to turn it on, since it does not have a power switch. On the back of the device, there are 2 additional sockets. The stereo socket on the left allows connection of 2 stretch sensors or 2 resistivity sensors using Y cable, and the micro USB socket used to connect the 3-in-1 cable. The device remains in deep sleep mode most of the time to save battery power. To turn the device on, you must connect the 3-in-1 sensor cable to the micro USB socket and place 2 fingers inside the GSR electrodes. This is the only way to activate the device. As the device wakes up, the blue LED on the left starts to blink slowly. This indicates that the fingers are correctly placed inside the sensors. When no fingers are placed on the sensors, the blue LED begins to blink faster. This indicates that the device is counting down the 3 minutes before entering deep sleep mode. About 30 seconds before going to sleep, the blinking rate becomes much faster. Now let's connect the device to an Android phone using a standard USB cable and the USB OTG extension cable. First, connect the white OTG adapter to the black USB cable. Next, connect the black USB cable to the device. Then connect the white cable to the Android device. When connecting the device to an Android phone, we can immediately see that the green LED turns on. This indicates that the device is receiving power. At the same time, the red LED also turns on, showing that the battery is charging. The device has 3 LEDs, a blue LED on the left, a red LED in the middle, and a green LED on the right. When the device is operating, the blue LED blinks. When a customer orders the dual PPG version, they also receive the AIHRV wireless device. This additional unit transmits pulse oximetry and BVP signals to the master device. The master device collects all the data in real time and then transmits it to the phone or PC via USB or Bluetooth.